Filemob number 7. We need to load and save because it doesn't make sense to make levels if we can't load and save. So let's work on that. Inside of the canonic constant section, we have added a beginning and end marker for this cluster of constants. You see this number here matches, and these numbers here match. And inside this section, proc enum order constraints, we're just making sure that these constants are in a very precise order, and we're checking once this way and once this way for redundancy. In the canonic function section, we've made this canonic save sen subsection. It has a local index of 6 functions that map to our different enumerations, so this should look familiar. Save or load to RAM, disk, or web. And all of these functions, all these 6 functions, they're just stubbed in with a log message. We haven't done anything with them. We'll write the bodies in different videos. Finally, in the canonic EVT function, which takes a keyboard event and decides whether or not to execute a function, inside of the section that activates after we've done the Konami code plus a letter key, if we are pressing a key that gives us an enumeration procedure code associated with one of these functions, the save or load to RAM, disk, or web, then we are going to execute one of those functions. So you see this nice little lookup table here, and these constants match directly with the actual function they execute. Originally, I was thinking about doing a lookup table, so all of this math is kind of pointless right here. There is a reason. So if we look at this little tag, I can show you what I was planning, but decided that a lookup table is a little bit too clever, and we want to keep it simple, stupid. So we're still going to keep some of this code here just for reference and also for a little redundancy and error checking. You can see this assert here, make sure that we have exactly 6 enumerations. And then down here is what we did previously, and shortening some of the tags for column space, what we did, footnotes, and then what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, you're going to have to go to this playlist. You're on the short playlist, source code is here, email me here, and like, subscribe, send money.